Safety first, Udayam best. Udayam face mask இப்போ குழந்தைகளுக்கும்.
Care Academy Trichy launches coaching classes for plus 1, plus 2, NEET and JEE. For details, visit carechemistry.com.
Currently, the most debated topic is nepotism. Recently, a trailer got 11 million dislikes just because it had a star kid in it. You are a son of a big star. How do you see this?
I don't have the right to judge anyone because I don't know anyone's life story. The person who would react to a situation and talk about nepotism as what you're trying to speak about. It's a struggle for everyone, no matter who it is, from where you come from. Being an actor is always going to be a struggle. Every day you struggle to find the best role, or you struggle to get work, or you struggle in many different ways, Though I was a star's son, I gave up and I started blaming everybody around me.
Hi Hitesh, hi Bhupendra. Great. Sir, first of all, congratulations for 25 years in the industry. It's not an ordinary feat. Wishes on behalf of our team.
Thank you so much.
So how do you feel when you look back?
Well, I look back and I realize how lucky I am that today I got an opportunity to do a film like Class of 83. I've seen so many things in my life, ups and downs, success, failure, a few years of my life which I wasted like not doing anything, and then realizing that and coming back with more energy and trying to do as good as I can as an actor. So it's been a wonderful journey with a lot of learnings, because you only learn from your life experiences and you learn from your mistakes. So that's how these 25 years have been for me. But I'm just happy today. I'm sitting here and excited about my Class of 83, sitting with these young talented boys, and just happy to be here. That's all I can say.
Currently, the most debated topic is nepotism. Recently, a trailer got 11 million dislikes just because it had a star kid in it. So I have read your journey. You are a son of a big star, but your journey has not been easy. You have seen a lot of things, a lot of struggles. You have reinvented yourself. But how do you see this current turn of events against star kids in the social media?
See, I don't judge people. I don't have the right to judge anyone because I don't know anyone's life story. I don't know why the person who would react to a situation and talk about nepotism as what you're trying to speak about, because everybody has to face hardship, and that's why they react in different ways. They say things in different ways. So I just feel that when I talk to my colleagues, my young actors, I always advise them, it's a struggle for everyone. No matter who it is, from where you come from. Being an actor is always going to be a struggle. Every day you struggle to find the best role, or you struggle to get work, or you struggle in many different ways, and never give up. Because I gave up for 2-3 years in my life. Though I was a star's son, I made the wrong decisions, work went wrong for me, and I gave up and I started blaming everybody around me. I thought that nobody, I didn't blame myself, didn't realize the fault didn't lie on me exactly, but yes, I made the wrong choices, so I have to live with that, and not give up. So I gave up in life, and I always tell them that never give up, because kitna bhi ho jaye, kuch bhi ho jaye, be focused, be persistent. Because as I said, ये role मुझे मिलने नहीं वाला था, लेकिन because I kept trying to grab work, finally I played the character of Dean Vijay Singh. So that moment will come in your life, but just don't give up.
So you have said that this film is an audition. It is like an audition for your future films. Your humility, your modesty reflects there.
No, it's just that for me as an actor, I've been searching for a character like this for a long time. What happens in our industry, you get a fixed image, and obviously, even though I did these films many years back, people still think of me as a soldier boy or cooked and dancing and shaking my hair and things like that. You get a very glamorous image, and to break out of it, and when you see in the downs, the low points in your life, and you realize that you can't make you get stuck with an image, and then you get stuck with choosing from what you can choose. So your choices become very less of projects you can get. So when I got this project, it took me a long time to even think I would get something like this, because the character I got to play is something a lot of. I mean, first of all, I wasn't the first choice for this role.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and my director Atul told me after the film was completed that, Bobby, you were never the first choice, but something, I'm so happy that you were part of this project, and I guess it was meant to be that this film wouldn't have been without you. So I guess that's how it has been for me, because it is difficult to get roles like this, and for me, when I said it's an audition in a way, because I want people to see my work and see me as an actor, hopefully this time, who can do different kinds of roles. It's a new journey that started in my life, and I'm just glad that I've got this opportunity.
So would you call this your second innings?
I think yes, from Race 3, thanks to Salman, it helped boost my character so much. I mean, not my character, sorry. It boosted my career so much, because I needed to be a part of a project where they will go to see Salman, a superstar like him, and I'll get seen in that film. And people will start noticing me once again. So I think that was the biggest opportunity, and I always, all my life, will be so grateful and thankful to Salman for giving me that opportunity. After that, I got a chance to do a bigger film with Akshay, I've worked in so many films together. So he's also such a big star. Again, I had an opportunity. Again, people saw me. So that way, eventually, people started noticing me more, and that's how you approach. You get work. You sometimes you do work for a different reason. Sometimes you do a film for a different reason. Then after I got this chance again, I decided that now if I have to do something, because I got so many offers on OTT platform, but I decided that the day I do something, I need to do something which, because OTT platform gives every actor an opportunity to do, a different kind of a character. There's so much creatively, you have so much opportunities. So thanks to Netflix and Red Chilli, Shahrukh, Gauri and Gaurav, that they came to me with the subject, and I did, and then the script was important, so I was excited, but then I was waiting what the script would be, and when I read the script, I was like, this is it. This is what I was looking for, and I'm just so happy.
I totally loved your performance, sir. It was such an intense role. But what is your favorite thing about the role that you have done in this film?
See, I think it is a very real character. And these emotions which you see in the character are so real, and to feel that and to enact that, when as an actor, becomes more difficult. When you're really trying to play a real character, you try, somehow your personality comes in the way of your flamboyancy and all that. And for me to break away from that and be able to not look like Bobby Deol in the film was the biggest challenge, And I think every day, every moment on the set, I used to be nervous, not because of anything else, but because I didn't want to portray the character and people think of me as Bobby Deol. I wanted them to think of me as Dean Vijay Singh, So that's what was so exciting about this character.
What is your biggest takeaway working with a legendary actor like Bobby Deol?
Like, the biggest takeaway is to be humble and to always make everyone feel comfortable around you, because that's what I've seen Bobby sir do always. He's made me feel comfortable. He's made me feel welcome on set always. And not only the actors, he's always made, and I've seen this, he's made everybody on set comfortable, whether it's the costume team, whether it's the ADs. He'll be talking to someone, he'll be talking to that person very personally. That person will feel that, yes, I'm really important on set. And isn't that a lesson for life? Just make people comfortable around you. It's going to be a nice conversation then.
And what about you, Bhupendra?
To make comfortable people around you, this is in itself an art, and he's an artist in that. He was so grounded on shoot. He was so humble. For us, it was like we are so blessed. So we got a chance to work with Bobby sir.
Yes, I am so lucky to work with you guys, man.
Thank you, sir. So sweet. See that he always says something so sweet.
Yeah,
no, it's not that. It's just genuinely, I feel so nice that I'm here today, sitting and talking with these young talented boys.
And sir, with the advent of OTT, you get a chance to watch a lot of other language films. In that way, have you seen any Tamil films from the South? Any favorites?
I've not watched so many as yet, but because I've just been trying to, these days I've just tried to watch different kinds of films, but I have seen so many Tamil films when I was growing up. I've since I was a kid, I remember going to watch movies with my dad because my dad did a lot of remakes of films from Tamil, you know. So I've always been watching Tamil films, you know. So it's just some great cinema out there. I mean, there was a time when movies were copied from Hindi cinema, and now then the times changed, and people started, you know, buying rights of South films from Tamil films and all the other languages. So times have changed, you know. Creatively, I think the kind of talent you all have is awesome, you know. I will definitely catch on some films, but I haven't seen as yet any so far because just been busy with family life. I have 2 boys, so I sit and watch things with them, and you know.
It was great talking to you, sir, Hitesh, Bhupendra.
Thank you so
Same
much.
here,
It
same
was
here.
really nice talking to you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much
We're
for
so,
having us.
Really
we're
nice.
so happy you like the film, man. Seriously, that's the main goal for us.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. All the best. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Stay safe. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இதே மாதிரி நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பண்ண தான் போகிறோம். உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலிக்கு மறக்காமல் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். என்ன தோணுதோ கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். 52 லட்சம் பேர் எங்கள் ஃபேமிலிக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்களும் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.
சேஃப்டி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உதயம் பெஸ்ட். உதயம் ஃபேஸ் மாஸ்க் இப்போ குழந்தைங்களுக்கும்.
Care Academy Trichy launches coaching classes for plus 1, plus 2 NEET and JEE. For details, visit carechemistry.com.